Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with another ready to eat product from Kohinoor, and this is the Kohinoor Xpress Chole Masala. In our earlier video we had done a chana masala from MTR and it was just delicious, really yummy chana masala from MTR, and today another chole masala here from Kohinoor Xpress Eats. So today we are going to check out the Kohinoor Xpress Eats chole masala. We are going to review this product and see how good the Kohinoor Xpress Eats chole masala is. So guys, starting off with the review of the product, let's look at the packaging first of all. So it comes packaged in a packet here, like in a plastic container here, plastic bag here, and right on top you can see the Kohinoor branding here. There's a Kohinoor branding and the Xpress Eats branding right below it. Then they have mentioned the name of the product, which is chole masala. Here they are shown the illustration of the chole masala right here, and here it says just heat and eat it. So again, similar to MTR, you just need to heat and eat it. There's no preparation involved in this, right? So how do you make this? Like whole chickpeas and what is the chole masala? It's a whole chickpeas and a spicy tomato gravy. This also packet serves two. The net weight of this Kohinoor Xpress Eats chole masala is also 300 grams. So it serves two people. Kohinoor Xpress Eats chole masala, there's no added preservatives or MSG. So there's no preservatives or your Ajinomoto in it. There are no artificial colors or flavors added as well. Everything that's there is like pure natural ingredients. And here it's again mediumly spiced. It's not very spicy. It's mediumly spiced. It's a pure vegetarian product, so here's a vegetarian mark as well. So that's the information on the front of the pack. Let's go on the back side of the pack. Here we have the Kohinoor branding again, the Kohinoor branding, the Xpress Eats branding. And what does it say is, get the comfort and goodness of Indian food anytime, anywhere. Keep Kohinoor Xpress handy in your desk drawer, pantry, backpack, and even take along on your travels. We know you have a million things to do and sometimes you don't want to cook. Live the express way and never have to worry about hunger pangs or unhealthy food choices. Very well said here. Like you can anytime cook these meals up without like taking the trouble to cook it. There are more in the range, must try rice and spice range from Kohinoor. Choose the Kohinoor quality today as mentioned here, and they have shown the other range here. Caution, always tear the pouch at the mark before heating in microwave. You need to tear it open before you put it in the microwave to heat it. Like I told you, the net weight is 300 grams and it is priced at rupees 95. So the Kohinoor chole masala is priced at rupees 95 for a 300 gram pack, which is very nicely priced here. Moving on, they have shown just heat and eat it is what it says. You just need to heat and eat it. Now how do you eat? There are two ways to cook it. Oh, actually three ways to cook it. You just tear open the pouch by about 2 centimeters and you microwave it for 90 seconds, or you empty the contents in a frying pan and just heat it up for some time, or immerse this pouch without tearing it open again. Immerse it in boiling water for 5 minutes and it will be ready to eat. So that is how you cook how you prepare the chole masala from Kohinoor. Store in a cool and dry place. Do not use if the pouch is leaked or bloated. Here are the nutritional facts mentioned. The ingredients of the product. It's definitely chickpeas, water, onion, and all the different spices. Yeah, and then the license numbers are given here. So this is the Kohinoor chole masala again. So let's go ahead and prepare it and see how does it look and how does it taste. So there's no inner packaging, there's a single package, and you can see the masala from here and it looks really delicious and nice and spicy. So I can't wait to taste it. So you can see this, you can actually see the masala inside. And so we have to directly open this and cook it up, heat it up, and then we are ready to go. So let's go ahead and prepare the Kohinoor Xpress Eats chole masala. Guys, we are going to prepare the Kohinoor Xpress Eats Chole Masala. This is the packet here. And we are going to prepare it. For that, the preparation method that I'm choosing is to just heat it in a frying pan. So here the frying pan I've taken. I'll just put on the flame right now. Let's put on the flame for the frying pan and keep it on medium heat. So here just let the pan get heated a bit. And now we are going to just cut open the Kohinoor Xpress Eats Chole Masala packet, and we are going to empty the contents of the packets inside the pan. So here we have opened it up, and you can see the chole masala. It looks nice and ready, and we just need to and here is chole masala. So we have emptied the packet of chole masala in the pan, and it looks very aromatic. It is very aromatic. It has a strong aroma of the spices in it, and we just need to heat it for 2 minutes. Give it a nice mix. And just let it heat and cook for 2 minutes. And you can see the chole being cooked nicely. Like, it just needs to get heated. Everything is completely prepared. All ingredients are already present in there. The chickpeas are also cooked already. We just need to heat it on low flame for 2 minutes, and it's ready to be served. And we have heated it enough, I think. Chole masala, we have heated it for over 2 minutes right now. Just take a boil once, and then I'll take it off the flame, and it will be ready to be served. So you can see how quickly we can just stir this up and prepare it under 2 minutes. Like, just eat and serve it. The amazing, very tasty, very aromatic chole masala, hotel style chole masala is ready to be served. And this is from Kohinoor Xpress Eats. This is Kohinoor Xpress Eats Chole Masala here. So it's ready to be served. We just need to remove it and pour it in a serving dish, and we can go ahead and do the taste test. So guys, we have prepared the Kohinoor Xpress Eats Chole Masala, and right now we are going to do a taste test of it. It looks really nice and yummy. It's very aromatic and fragrant. It has nice fragrance of the ingredients, the masalas in it, and the overall look of it is very nice. So I can't wait to taste it right now. So here it goes. I'm going to take a spoonful of the chole masala, and we are going to do a taste test of the same. So here is the chole masala, and here it goes, the taste test of the Kohinoor Xpress Eats Chole Masala. It has an amazing taste. It will surely go well with baturas. More of the lime flavor I'm getting in it, but really nice. On the spice level, it is mediumly spiced. It's not extremely spicy. It's mediumly spiced. It's nice. The aroma is nice. The taste is very indulgent. It is very tasty. It has a lot of spicy flavors in it. So overall, I love the taste of the Kohinoor Xpress Eats Chole Masala. Anytime you want to have chole masala and don't want to order from outside from the restaurant, you can always choose to go for the Kohinoor Xpress Eats Chole Masala. What I like about it, that it is easy to cook, to prepare. The quantity is good enough for 2 people. Definitely this will serve 2 people. The quantity of the Kohinoor Xpress Eats Chole Masala is good enough for 2 people. The price is good. It's not overpriced. I would say it's perfectly priced at 95. So the price is also good. So that's it. Like overall, I'll give the Choley Masala a definite 5 on 5 for the Kohinoor Xpress Eats. It's an amazing ready to eat meal. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.